Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna sandwich, an easy and satisfying meal perfect for any time. We will begin by gathering just a few simple ingredients and basic kitchen tools. You'll be surprised how quickly you can create this classic comfort food. Let's get started with what you'll need to prepare this tasty dish. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the tuna. First, open your can of tuna and drain all the liquid thoroughly. This step is crucial for a good texture. Next, transfer the drained tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Use a fork to gently flake the tuna apart. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. To elevate your tuna mixture, it's time to add some fresh, crisp ingredients. Finely dice about 1/4 cup of celery and mix it in for a delightful crunch. Next, chop a small amount of red onion, approximately 2 tablespoons, to give your sandwich a zesty kick. Finally, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweet relish or finely chopped pickles for a tangy flavor that balances everything perfectly. With your flavorful tuna mixture complete, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take 2 slices of your favorite bread and spread the tuna mixture evenly from edge to edge. For an extra layer of freshness, consider adding crisp lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, or even a slice of cheese. Finally, cut your sandwich in half diagonally or straight and serve it immediately to enjoy its fresh taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.